Okay, now I'm going to show you a fourth strategy that you can use to solve an addition problem. I've changed the question for this one because this particular strategy is unique, that it only suits a certain number of problems, and it didn't really suit the problem that we've been working on for the other 3 videos. This strategy is called the compensation strategy. And you would use compensation strategy when one of your numbers is close to a 10, but not quite there. So in this problem, I have 179. 179 is very close to 180. Now, it's easier for me to work with 180 and calculate 180. So what I basically do is I round the 179 up to 180. So I just take note of what I've done. I take note that, right, I'm going to add 1 over here. Because if I'm going to add 1 on while I do my working out, I need to remember to take that 1 off at the end. So I can't forget that. Right, now that I've got 180 plus 235, this is where I'd jump into probably a little bit of split strategy. So what I would do next is I'd move my 100 over. So then I'm going to end up with 335. And now I've just got to add on my 80. Which, to do that, I could add on by tens, or I might just have a strategy in my head of knowing what 80 plus 35 is. I know that 80 plus 35 is 115, and then I've got my original 300 there, so I'm going to end up with 415. Now, I need to remember, I added on 1 when I first begun, so now I need to take 1 away. So my actual answer is not 415, it's 414. For a particular number like this, compensation strategy worked well because it was much easier for me to add on 35 to 80 and work with 180 because it's just an even round number. If I had to do 179 plus 235 another way, like split strategy or algorithm, it would have got a little bit messy. There would have been a lot of carrying.